The vision for this organization, it's a transformative organization empowering young people to excel beyond their limitations. That is what Larry Thomas was known for, transforming lives and pushing the young people to their limitations. The mission statement is to provide educational support and development to ensure young people fulfill their individual potential. Not only was he a group coach, but he was a personal coach. He, of course, his love was athletics, but his real love was for children and young people and youth. And so part of what the organization will be doing is to ensure to continue his legacy by supporting community youth in every area that they possibly can. We need you to stay tuned, stay connected through the website, Larry Thomas Youth Development Organization, through Facebook, and also on Instagram. And we're going to be getting a YouTube channel. All that we can do is stay connected with the community so that you can be a part of this great organization launching today, June 12th.
So a lot of the good things that Larry did were things that people did for me as I was growing up. I know a lot of the trials and tribulations that a lot of the kids go through, needing a mentor, needing someone to help them guide them through that pre-adolescent and adolescent period to get them into a strong foundation as they move into adulthood.
Hi, my name is Charlie Taylor. I'm Larry's mother, and I'm the co-founder of the Larry Thomas Youth Development Corporation. The Larry Thomas Youth Development Corporation gives me an opportunity and a desire deep in my heart to continue my son's legacy while giving back to the community.
Thomas Simpkins. Most of you guys know me as Shalonda Thomas. I'm here to help and support my big brother's legacy and what he was doing. We both felt very strong about working with youth, making sure that we had organizations and the support they needed. I was always the one in the background, didn't like to be in the forefront, and I'm still like that, so I'll be in the background doing some work, but I can't wait to get started. A little bit about me: I've worked in the education field for 20 years in several different positions, but always helping high school students move forward with their next steps and transitioning into adulthood. So still working in that realm, and I look forward to working with everyone.
Good evening, my name is Andrea Glenn. I'm board secretary. I'm very, thankful to the Taylor family for bringing me on board. I wasn't blessed to know Larry personally, but definitely through the stories that I've heard from both JoJo and Ashley, connect with his passion and the legacy that he wants to leave. I have 19 years of experience working in the field of education, and currently I'm the state's first statewide coordinator with the Department of Education for post-secondary programming. So I'm excited to continue my endeavors in this particular field as well, working with the organization to continue to reach out to our most vulnerable population of youth here, and just waiting for all the opportunities that we can bring to our state here in Arizona.
Hi everybody, I'm Ashley Taylor. I'm Larry's sister-in-law, little wife, and it's an honor to be on the board and continue Larry's legacy. And I'm grateful, to Joe and Charlie to let me be a part of this. I'm going to be working with Andrea. You guys met Andrea a couple minutes ago. I'm going to be partnering with her, and we're going to be heading up our programs. One of the programs that we're really excited about is the Ripple Effect Project, which is based out of South Point High School. It's a fellowship and mentorship program for young men, and that's going to be our first flagship program. We hope to build that and grow it to other schools as well. The other thing we're working on right now is a back-to-school backpack drive, and yeah, we have other programs too that we want to head up, but that's what we're focusing on right now.
Hi everybody, I'm Joe Taylor, Larry's little brother. I just want to thank everybody for joining us tonight, helping us continue my brother's legacy. We appreciate every single one of you guys. I'm going to be heading up the fundraising team, so I'm going to be reaching out to a lot of you people for help. So keep an eye out. And again, we thank you so much.